Hey there, thank you so much for watching. Today is going to be a jam-packed day full of cleaning. We are officially 2 months into the new house and we still have a ton of boxes everywhere, such is life, but I'm going to try to tidy up and clean as much as possible because I just feel like we're living in clutter and dirt and I am so tired of it. So if you are ready to clean as well, grab your coffee and let's get started. Time to finally clean this mess of a bedroom. First things first, I'm washing the linens. We wash our sheets and mattress protector every week just to keep everything nice and fresh. Then I'll fold the mountain of towels and clothes that were patiently waiting for me in my laundry basket. Whenever I'm cleaning, I always like to get several loads of laundry done in tandem. I find that I'm more likely to fold them and put them away if I'm already in the cleaning mood. If you're curious, we are planning to start our bedroom renovation next year after we finish some of the other projects in the house. I have a renovation series full of our current projects. If you are new here, I'll have them linked down below as well as in a card up above. Keep on hoping somehow we can make this all right. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go, cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier. Next, I'm tackling the final box of clothes that I had in our room since November. Better late than never, I guess. If you're cleaning along with me, let me know what areas you're cleaning in the comments. After the first half of laundry has been put away, I'm going to start spraying down the shower using the Scrubbing Bubbles shower cleaner and the Clorox bathroom spray cleaner at the bottom. While that sits, I'm cleaning the outer shower with some Windex and dusting down all of the windows. Everything is so dusty, it makes no sense.
Since I'm not deep cleaning, I'm only going over the shower once before heading to the bathroom counter. You guys, I have things everywhere and it's been like that for several weeks now. It's time to tidy everything up. I love how much storage this bathroom has, but I really need to go through everything and get rid of old products and things I don't like anymore. So be on the lookout for a spring cleaning organization video because things have got to go. I know we're not decorating upstairs for a while, but I can't wait to switch it up in here. We have no clue how long we'll stay in this house, but the bathroom just isn't my vibe. Even if we don't retile the shower, I think switching out the mirrors, giving it a fresh coat of paint, and adding in new lighting will really change things up. We're almost done going to vacuum and put on fresh sheets before heading into my office. Toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah, you know it's not Now in the office, I'm going to get rid of the random papers I have everywhere and wipe down my laptop, keyboard, and desk protector with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray. I can't wait for the seasonal scents to come back out. Peony is my favorite, but curious to see if there will be new ones this spring. Guys, there is nothing better than a tidy working space, especially when you're working from home.
My bad temper, what am I supposed to do? When the flame's going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that? It's just stupid. Hey, just...
All right, we're finally done. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you're excited about Clean With Me's in the new house as well. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It just helps me out so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.